Hi guys, welcome back to a new YouTube video. So I'm back on YouTube. As you guys could see, one video that I uploaded today, which is Monday. This video will probably be on Tuesday or Monday, depends how lazy I am to upload and edit. Okay, so today, guess what we're doing? Since I'm a broke bitch, I can only afford like $10.13 McDonald's. So we're doing a McDonald's mukbang. I don't have a little, table set. Yeah, table set. So, I kind of ate the fries. It's really hot because I just got it. I ate the fries while I was walking. Oh, my late. But yeah, so. I bought me a Big Mac. Big Mac. Big Mac, no pickles, cause like, yeah. So, I'm gonna talk about life. How's your life? My life is good. This video is gonna be so dumb. No, I'm gonna just talk about anything that comes out of my mind. First, I'm gonna talk about friends. Me. You see me? I was just on the phone with a friend. She asked me, why you didn't go to school today? Oh, because I didn't feel like it. But no, I didn't want to go to school because I was doing something. But they were like, oh, why didn't you go to school today? And they said this so mean to me. I'm so horrible at this shit. They said something so mean to me. Yeah? They said something so rude to me. I'm gonna have a mental breakdown. You guys should never have fake friends. You see, if you have a friend that will be there for you 24/7, I only have this one nigga that rides for me every day. I call him, he's there for me, and I love him for that. But yeah, you guys should, the friends you guys should have is friends that could be there for you 24/7. Not the friends that will bring you down. Not the friends that will call you stupid. Oh my god, my hair is looking like a mess. I'm learning how to braid. Yeah, so find real friends, bitches. I mean, friends. You need real friends. And then my friends wonder why I'm so mean to them. Well, bitch, you guys are not realist to me. You guys are the biggest shit talkers ever. They will talk behind my back, and I will never know. But the way that I know that they're talking behind my back because they're looking and whispering. This is such a worst mukbang. This is my first mukbang. Yeah. These french fries are good. I love McDonald's. I'm a broke bitch, so I only got a Big Mac meal, no pickles. I just had to like that. I'm so extra. Because someone put their mouth on there. Not naming names. Cough, cough, my sister. She was thirsty. She should have drank before. The mom was just right there and she told me, oh, I'm thirsty, can I have some? Another thing I'm gonna talk about. I'm just ranting, man. Forget this shit. This is a rant. A whole 10 minutes of me eating ranting. How to deal with a breakup. So I dated this light skin. I dated this light skin. And he broke my heart. He broke my heart. You know what he did? He's using me. He's using me. I'm his like side bitch or thing or whatever you call it. I'm like, his girlfriend doesn't know about me. He called his girlfriend on me before. Saying, oh, he's my man. Stay away from me, bitch. I don't want him anyways. I kind of do. I kind of miss him. But you know what? I'm not gonna cry. Because this is how you get over a nigga. Or a light skin, or mostly light skins, because light skins break hurt, and you don't even know. This is like, oh shit. You get over light skin by. Oh, my food is almost done. My light, please. Oh yeah, my food is almost done. So this is my french fries is almost done. This is how you get over light skin. You find the other light skin. And you start talking to him, that's fine. And then you get your ex-boyfriend, because he still talks to you. I try not to talk to him, but like, it's hard to ignore people. I'm the nicest girl ever. I will never leave you on read. So please don't leave me on read. So, this is how you get over him. You get him jealous, and yeah. You say you're talking to another guy. He gets jealous and says, are you guys dating? Or he gets mad at you and be like, oh really? Really? So why are you talking to me? Well, because I'm the nicest girl ever, and I could never leave you on read. Can I get an amen? So this is 6 minutes. Guys, I'm trying to learn how to do. I'm trying to do thumbnails. So if I feel like my thumbnails are horrible, I'm really bad at thumbnails. Guys, I started doing YouTube because I'm bored with my life. And it's nice outside. Do you guys like ketchup on your fries? Like, you guys just put it on there? Cause I do. I love my McDonald's fries nice and dry. So now it's time to eat my burger. When I'm done this video is over. This video is pointless, but you know what? Who cares? Oh wait, look at this, guys. I hope this is my thumbnail. Oh my god, this is so cute! This is a cute photo. Wait, I have to take a picture. Okay, I don't know if I took the picture. You know where I want to go this summer? Okay, let me tell you my trip that I want to do this summer. I want to go to English, please. Okay, I want to go to New York City. And then I'm going to travel the world. If I have money, I'm a broke bitch. Broke bitches go trapped in this keep an eye dog. Yeah, but yeah. So, I'ma have some. First, let me check and see if there's any pickles. Because I hate pickles. Comment below if you hate pickles. I'm probably not gonna get no one to comment because like I'm a weirdo and no one watches my YouTube because I'm not up there yet. Yeah. Oh yeah. So I want to travel the world this summer. Because my summer is always boring, you know. So I want to go somewhere. First I want to go to New York City. I just said that. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Then I want to go to Florida. No, first I want to go to New York City. I want to go to Central Park. And then I want to go to Queens. And then I want to go to New York. I don't know my states. And then after I want to go to Florida to Orlando, Florida to Disney World. Then I want to go to LA. I want to see the Cloud House because like that. I want to see Alyssa Violet because Alyssa Violet is so beautiful. I'm just doing this for the clout. I wish. I love my bad. I wish I was a famous YouTuber. Oh, let me talk about my favorite YouTubers. My favorite YouTubers are Sadie. If you guys don't know, then you guys don't know. Too bad. And my second YouTuber is Key Casanova. If you guys know, then you guys know. All these people that I'm listing, they're from Toronto, so like sucks. Besides, she's not from Toronto. She's from the other side of Toronto, which doesn't even exist. Guys, I'm such a messy eater. Oh yeah, I can breathe. I'm so mad. I didn't even go to school. I wish I was a good ender. I'm probably just gonna get a video of me eating. Oh my god, this video is 12 minutes long. Okay, so this is my last bite. And then I'm gonna end it, and then yeah. It took me 11 minutes to eat this shit. Guys, this is so good. Okay. So. Okay, so I just cleaned up my mess. So I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe. You know what to do. I hope you guys enjoyed my boring mukbang. I'm not like... I'm sorry. Oh my god. This is so out of manner. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe. You know what to do. It took me 12 minutes just to eat food and talk. This was pretty much a rant or whatever was on my mind. I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe. Wish you guys could tell me if you guys watched till the end. Just tell me that. I would know if you guys put N if you watched at the end, because my name starts with an N. And if you didn't, you guys are liars. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, comment, subscribe, like, comment. You know what to do. We accept anybody. We don't care. We accept anybody. 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 Nah! Anybody. Everybody. Anybody. Okay, so I'm done. I hope my thumbnail comes out better.